Welcome back mga kapuso, nagtanaw gihapon kamo sa GMA Regional TV Live karong buntaga atong ipasigarbo kadaugan sa Sugbuanong filmmaker naghatag og dungog og garbo sa bag-ohang gipahigayon nga Cinemalaya 2023.
The award for Best Short Film goes to Sibuyas Ni Perfecto by Januar Yap.
Nurse by profession, apan siyang kasing-kasing, mas bugat ang paghatog kinubuhit tinuray nga mga kasinatian. Siya si Januar Yap, usa ka Sibuyano writer o filmmaker. Sa datad sa pagsuwat, ubay-ubay na ka mga palangka awards ang iyang naangkon. Ug samtang sa natad sa filmmaking, ang giumol niini nga Sibuyas Ni Perfecto naghatod kaniya og pasidungog isip Best Short Film sa Cinemalaya Awards 2023. Ug karong buntaga, ato pa siyang masilaylahon ug madasig pa sa iyang istorya sa kinabuhi dinhilang sa GMA Regional TV Live.
Uban nato karong buntaga din sa programa mga kapuso, of course, director ug filmmaker Januar Yap. Thank you so much for joining us, Sir Januar. Kauban sa nato Sir Eddie De Lima, siya ang midda sa papel as Perfecto, ug si Web Villantes, production assistant, ug doon po cameo role sa short film. Mayong buntag ug welcome sa GMA Regional TV Live.
Mayong buntag sa itong mga viewers this
Salamat
morning.
kayo for joining us this morning. I'll start with you, Sir Januar. Kining, well, conceptualizing for this short film, sir, unsa may nagdagan sa imong huna-huna, unsa may gyud idea, unsa may gyud concept aning atong gibuhat, sir?
Well, this was shot, this was conceived at the time nga katong nisaka ang presyo sa sibuyas. So we wanted to create something relevant for Cinemalaya. It was really intended for Cinemalaya. And I've been writing short stories, and I've picked one, and this fits the, I mean, it's a cheaper film to shoot because two characters, main characters, and not so much demanding in terms of setting. So that's why we chose this story, Sibuyas Ni Perfecto.
Briefly, sir, unsa may storyline adto? So, si Perfecto, sa to, doon ay palit sa iyang sibuyas.
I mean, it's a day in the life of Perfecto, no?
Yeah.
And he gets a call from his so-called friend, Sir Eddie, who was celebrating his birthday that day. So, ni order og vegetables niya, so gihatdan niya, and so much expectations from Perfecto, no? When niya, maybe until there siguro para may spoiler alert.
Why spoiler? Tanood kay daghan ra bang nainteresado nga mutan-aw ani kay of course binuhat sa usa ka Sugbuanon. Kumusta man atong mo ni si nida sa papel as si Tatay Perfecto? Kumusta man sa first time nimo, sir, nga mo?
First time pag din ako ni.
How was it? Kumusta may unsa may imong kasinatian, kumusta imong experience?
Primero kulbaan niya ko na kayo mo. Kulbaan ko wag kumana dan eh. Pero sa pagkakuha ako na daog be, murag batin ako nalipay sa ko ba. Tilpaya gid ako nga bawdi ko magdahom. Ninani di ay.
Wow.
Kadaog be. Salamat kayo.
Instant
Salamat
celebrity
kayo.
si Sir Perfecto, Sir Eddie. Suga look do jud ato, sir, sa mga sibuyas. Di into niyo gi-shot, Sir Januar, ang Mantalungon gito. Of course mo gito setting kay of course kay farmer man to si Perfecto. How long did it take you to produce the short film, sir?
The actual principal shooting was for one day. We rehearsed for one night.
Wow.
And then we edited. Medyo taas ang editing. Because we had to fix some audio and...
Sir Web, ikaw, doon na kay cameo role, but at the same time, naasad ka sa production, no?
Yes, sir.
Kumusta man imong experience while producing this short film?
Kulba sad kayo kay first man ako mo cameo, dili kay kuanan ba. Yeah. Kuan jud ko kanang nako sa wedding industry. Kuan sad kanang videographer. So sayon ra ang katong pag-shoot, kuan. Pero ang katong pagdasa role sa pagtimbang sa Sibuyas Ni Perfecto kay o kulba kayo.
Ano may mga challenges ninyo nga gi-undergo at that time katong sa nag-shoot mo aning short film?
Kuan ang oras o ang hayag. O kay apason na mo. Kailangan mahuman na mo tanan shoot.
10 takes per one line.
10 takes per one
line.
Although 12 minutes ang short film, sir, pero mo tag isak adlaw ang na-devote gyud nato
Yeah.
sa shoot gyud ato.
And
Ikaw tay Eddie wala ra maglisod sa pag-act.
Ano nun? Dakol ba sa lagi istorya daw.
Aha.
Ano, ako sa paningwag maayo ba nga,
Mhm.
makuha sa akong kuana, istorya.
Kung nama kay may nakatunan nimo
Oo.
ining maong proyekto hatay.
Cut mo sa gamay.
Ah.
we made it a point nga ang background sa mga artista is not quite far from the lived experience of the characters para and in fact the instruction was please don't act at all. So muna so gitemper na mga acting and then behave as you are. So turns out very authentic ba ya? I mean, you know.
Let's talk about the Cebuano film industry, Sir Januar. Unsa may tan-aw nimo sa dagan nato karong panahon? Unsa may mga challenges nga giatubang?
Siguro kind of looking at these films produced recently by our local, this mura siya two different schools, no? There's a kind of soap opera style and there's the cinematic style. That's one challenge. But if you are to, you know, send your film to a film festival, I think you have to reorient yourself from the soap opera-ish style to cinema. No? Another thing is we don't have career actors, no, in the city. They have day jobs and they part-time as actors, no? And that's very difficult thing to schedule them on a shoot. They have to file a leave of absence from the work. Yes, I think we need to have this pool of career actors later on. In terms of equipment, we have, you know, plenty of them here anyway. So production value, we can project that. Yeah.
Did you expect to win, Sir Januar?
Not really. I wasn't even prepared for the speech. No? But it was enough for us to be in top 10. There were over 190 submissions, no, from all over the country. It was enough for us to be on top 10 until we became, you know, turned out to be best short for the Cinemalaya. Yeah.
Unsa may sikreto adto?
Not
Canada
so
out
much.
that, ano?
I mean, just be authentic with the story, I guess. Yeah. And yeah, I mean, we did not play with our story. We based it on real life experience.
Murag nindot kayo na-notice lang nako ang suot nila Sir Webb ug ni Sir Eddie binisaya. Of course, proud gyud ta sa atong mga roots.
This comes from we have a yearly Binisaya Film Festival actually, you know, created by Keith Delihero. Yeah. So that's the jacket. Where the jacket from?
Just to close this, Sir Januar, message nimo sa atong mga kaigsuonan, makapuso ang nagtan-aw, and then basig dunay marag napukaw ang ilang interest sa mga short films or sa mismo sa atong produkto nga Sibuyas Ni Perfecto. Asa nila makita, sir?
Yep, there are screenings currently in negotiation. No? I think the best way to support is to watch these films. No? And not only that, we believe we have a very significant story, no, so to tell. So and kung matanaw ninyo, may nga, you know, to spread the story because it has something to do with our farmers. No? So kana lang, and continue supporting siguro ang Cebuano independent filmmaking.
Wow. Thank you so much and congratulations kaninyo. Thank you, Sir Webb, Sir Eddie, Sir Perfecto, of course, Sir Januar Yap. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you. It's an
joining
honor.
us.
Yeah.
Good luck sa umaabot mga buhaton o mga trabahoon. Daghang salamat mga kapuso. Mubalik pa mi. Tutok lang